Let's make this sweet, buttery and crunchy chinchin together.
Cook it yourself.
First, the wet ingredients. Crack your egg and whisk until it combines, then set aside. To your evaporated milk, add in the sugar that you intend to use, then whisk it together. This is to make sure that the sugar fully melts and you're not chewing on raw sugar while eating your chinchin. Add in your egg, whisk together, then set aside. Optionally, you can add in vanilla extract. To your already sieved flour, add in nutmeg and your butter. If your butter is unsalted, add in salt. If it is salted, you can skip the salt. Mix this together until you have a sand-like texture. Then make a well in the middle and add your wet ingredients. Mix both of these until it gives you a shaggy dough and not a smooth dough. This is to prevent the gluten from forming. To a dry surface, sieve some flour and roll your chinchin on it. While rolling, if the top of your chinchin is sticking, sieve some flour on the top. Continue to roll your chinchin but lift as you roll so it doesn't stick to the table. Once you have it as thin or thick as you'd like, cut to your desired shape, putting in mind that there's still going to be a little swelling when you're frying. Once you're done cutting, scoop your already cut chinchin into a sieve and get out as much flour as you can because the flour is no longer needed. All your chinchin has come out one by one. While you're doing this process, put your pot on fire and pour oil to about 1/3 of the depth of your pot so the oil doesn't boil over while your chinchin is frying. Once it is hot enough, pour in your chinchin and continue to stir. The stirring would help to keep them apart and also make sure that it is not burnt on one side and white on the other side. Fry your chinchin until it is as brown as you'd like it. Once out of the oil, chinchin is usually soft, but after a couple of minutes of air blowing it, it becomes as hard as it's going to be. Once it's cool enough, store your chinchin in an airtight container and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.
Don't go back to basics. Boring, tasteless. Face it, it's just better to